Hi, I'm Morgan from songaspiritualjourney.com. I'm excited, and I've never done one of these before, but I pre-ordered this tarot deck. It's been a while, and I got it yesterday, and I waited until today to open it, and it's been like Christmas Eve since I got it. Anyway, do you want to see it? Yeah? Okay. Ready? Stranger Things tarot. And I only, where did I do it? I just broke the seal here a little bit just so I could not struggle as I opened it here. But you're seeing this for the first time along with me. So let's get into it. All right. Ooh, this is so exciting. And on the cover here, we've got, looks like Dustin, Lucas, and Mike. You can see Will's. It's like throwback to series 1, season 1. The asylum or the hospital and Will's bike. And then the upside down with the Demogorgons. Is it the bus? Or that's going to be the hospital, right? That's this because it's the upside down. And it does have a guidebook. Let's get to it. Pitter patter. Okay. All right, that's in my way. All right, Stranger Things Tarot Deck Guidebook. The ribbon. Oh, it's just, is it folded badly? Okay. Oh my God. Oh, Bob. Or Mikey, however you know him. I love Sean Astin. He's the magician. Of course he is. Oh my God, I can't spoil things here. Let's look at this. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, it just looks so cool. The dude from the end of what was it, season 2 or season 1? I don't remember the seasons. I just enjoy the show. Oh my God, they're small. These are smaller than the usual cards. These are going to be very easy to shuffle, which is good because they're kind of matte finish and they might stick for a while until I, get really into using them. Oh my God. Okay. On the back of the box, on the thing here, the sun is Dustin, according to this. Oh, there. Dustin is the sun. Of course he is. Why wouldn't he be? Dustin, love you. Okay. Hello, deck. Hello, pigeon. It's an inside joke between me and Erica the Dork Witch. Are you ready? All right, let's see. So it looks like we've got spokes, strands, scoops, and dice are the 4 suits. I'm still learning what the suits mean and what translates to what, and I'm sure some of that will be explained in the guidebook. We'll check that out. All right, let's just take a handful here so I'm not struggling. Little heart hubcap. Growing up in the 80s, I mean, we rode our bikes everywhere. Everywhere. Aw, Russian guy. And I love that the spokes, it focuses on the bikes as a suit. Another 80s homage. Look at that. It's like sparkly and new and fresh and clean because it's the 9, meaning almost to completion. And then it turns into skateboards because Max comes in with her skateboard and she's so badass. Oh my God. Steve Harrington, love him. Will is the king of spokes. Oh, I just love this. Oh, the strands are the strands of lights. Okay. That makes sense. Why isn't there a 1 on here? There's a 2 here, but it's the ace, so I guess it doesn't need a 1, does it? 4. 5 strands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 strands. 8 little lights. Oh my God. Yes, Joyce. Dustin's girlfriend. Argyle. I love him. If they do a spin-off of this when it's over, I think he could have a pretty good storyline created. Right? Like, we really know nothing about his backstory. I don't remember this. Maybe I wasn't paying attention enough. Maybe it'll make sense when I walk through it again or watch it again. Scoops. Scoops. Steve in his little sailor outfit. I just think that's adorable. Erica. She'd be a good spinoff too. She does not give a fuck. A very sibling type relationship, obviously, between her and Lucas, because anyone who's got siblings knows, like, you pick on them and you, whatever, you can razz them or anything. But the moment anyone else does, it's like, okay, let me take out my earrings quick, lace up my shoes. This is going to go down. Robin. I love her character too. She'd be another good spin-off. Steve is the greatest single mother of 6 in the history of everything. Karen. That's Mike's mom. Mike and Nancy's mom. The dice. The players from D&D. Or the characters. Here there be monsters. Interesting. It's like the wind monster thing. Well, this was season 2, right? Like, all the kids from when 11 met, what, number 2 or number 6 or whatever she was. I'm not really sure what the significance was other than showing how Elle learned to advance her abilities. You know what I mean? Advance her powers. Vincent. I had no idea that was Freddy Krueger, and I think that's awesome. Yet another subliminal homage to the 80s, having a great thrill character participate in this series. That Hopper in 11. I love Hopper. You look up there, I got Hopper right there. And there's Joyce. Billy. Billy is judgment. Oh my goodness. If anybody's earned that, he'd be the first one I think of to be able to do that, because he did turn it around at his very end, right? Dustin. Oh my God, the hair for that dance. So cute. Why does he look so confused all the time? The tower is the thing. Like where they... At the end of season 2 when Elle, I think, screamed and had blood coming out of her eyes and her ears and her nose. Is that Papa? Or is that just staff from the hospital? Temperance. Death. Barb. Barb didn't deserve what she got. Justice for Barb. The hanged man is Will. That's weird that it's not like a traditional pose for the hanged man. Usually he's upside down with one arm behind his back and his leg is crossed over the other like a number 4. Interesting. Justice. Nancy. Okay. The waffles is the Wheel of Fortune with all the kids. The hermit, because she's got to go into seclusion to be able to really accomplish things. Strength is Max. Absolutely. Absolutely. 100%. Love that. The chariot is Hopper's truck. Of course. Love that. Oh my God. That's awesome. Oh my God. For a minute, I thought that was Will, but it's Mike and Elle. Cute. Murray. I'm thinking this only goes up through season 3. Murray's awesome. The Emperor. Abso-freaking-lutely. Oh. Hi, Hop. The Empress, obviously. Love that. That's awesome. Yup. The High Priestess, of course. And the Magician. Bob. Bob did not deserve. Bob and Barb did not deserve their fate. But he was a hero. Awesome. The Fool. Yeah, well. They call him upright and upside down instead of reverse. That's awesome. The suit of strands is connected to the element of fire, and in other decks are known as the suit of wands. Okay, so strands is wands. Scoops is pentacles. Dice is swords, and spokes is cups. I won't remember that by the time I turn the page, but it's good to know it's in the book. Thank you for watching. Drink some water, take your meds, stretch, and be a nice human. I'll see you next time.